our going to Samar Islands. Our co-passengers there eating their breakfast also with my new friends. So, wait. That's Daisy, Edna, and Yoknen, the dentist. My new and old friends. A while ago, I got busy as much as I think we are 1 hour. 1 hour is already 1 hour. We are already here inside the boat, but there is clearance processing, so we can go clearance with the Coast Guard. I was feeling somehow dizzy or with dizziness because the boat is keeping on moving, but this time I recovered. There we go, sharing you my terrific moments here. Look at the waves now. Island hopping, island cruise, going to some different islands on a Sunday morning. Join me as I share to you my events on a Sunday. A day in the life of a retired teacher. Wonderful world, the creations of God. So nice, amazing, terrific, so spectacular, so inviting. So inside the boat, here we are. Happy Sunday, everyone. I hope you enjoyed also your day today, as we shared also our bonding moments with my old and new friends here. Actually, we started our trip 6 o'clock from our residence, each residence, and we arrived here